Most of us know about JavaScript. We use JavaScript in web applications for doing client-side development. But with the introduction of Node.js, JavaScript has become full-stack language, means we can use it for client-side development as well as for server-side development to either serve static or dynamic content or do create, read, update and delete operations with database. Let us learn more about Node.js. Please don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon so you are the first to know when I release new videos. In this video, we are going to talk about what is Node.js, what Node.js can do, what are the advantages of using Node.js, what are the disadvantages of using Node.js. Let us start our session. Node.js is an open source runtime environment for JavaScript written by Randall in the year 2009. But it has become so popular that big companies like IBM, Google are investing heavily on it. It is based on Google Chrome V8 engine, which is used for Chromium browsers. Node.js allows us to execute the program written in JavaScript on server side. Node.js is a part of Mean and Mearn applications. Mean means MongoDB, Express.js, AngularJS and Node.js. Mearn means MongoDB, Express.js, React.js and Node.js. Node is a part of Mean and Mearn applications where we use JavaScript for client-side, server-side, database-side and everything is being executed on top of Node.js. Node.js comes with inbuilt package manager called as NPM, Node Package Manager, which is driven by a huge community and has solutions for most of the functionalities in form of Node modules. Node modules are basically ready-made code which we can plug and play into our code. With the introduction of Node.js, Node has become the mainstream language for web development pipeline. To determine why Node.js has become a standard for enterprise development for big companies, let us see what Node.js can do. Node.js can collect data from client-side forms. Node.js can do file operations like create, edit, delete, and update. Node.js can generate dynamic web content. Node.js can do create, read, update, delete operations on database. In short, Node.js works everywhere at every level. Let us discuss the main advantages of using Node.js into our projects. The main advantages are we have to learn single language for web development. JavaScript will be used at client side, server side and to do database operations. Node.js is platform independent. It works on every platform, whether it is Windows, Mac or Linux. Node.js has built-in package manager NPM to make the web development fast. Node.js is highly scalable, lightweight and converts the JavaScript code directly into machine language. That's why it is lightning fast. Node.js uses non-blocking input-output, means if a request has to do some database stuff, it can start serving next request. It will not wait for the request to complete. Because of non-blocking input-output, it can be used for real-time applications to push data or notifications in real time without any delay. Node.js is very efficient. Node.js is single-threaded, hence it uses less CPU. Node.js is good for microservice architecture. Microservice means breaking down of application into small, isolated and independent services, which makes it easy to update and maintain the application easily without dealing with other parts of application. Node.js has some disadvantages too. Node.js has performance bottleneck for CPU-hungry operations. Node.js has immature tooling to work on. Lack of experienced JavaScript developers around the world. Because of this, most of the developers are looking at Node.js as an opportunity. Hope you like this information. Thank you.